The Channel Master Simple Remote is an ideal alternative for Apple TV users who may have difficulties using the remote control included with the Apple TV, or for those who may have lost or damaged the original remote control and are in need of a replacement. The Simple Remote uses IR technology to communicate and is designed to control all basic functions of the Apple TV, except for Bluetooth voice functionality. The Simple Remote also has a universal feature, which allows it to be programmed to control the on-off, volume up and down, and mute functions of most brands of TVs and soundbars. The Channel Master product team has spent extensive time testing this remote with streaming apps, various home theater setups, and use cases. The Channel Master Simple Remote is ideal for use with popular live streaming apps, including Sling, YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live channels, Get channels, among many others. The Channel Master Simple Remote is a great alternative to the original Apple TV remote and is ideal for Apple TV users who don't use the Bluetooth or voice search functions of the remote. We purposely omitted the Bluetooth and voice function from the Simple Remote to keep it as its name suggests, simple. Another great benefit of not adding Bluetooth or voice function is a reduced price. The Channel Master Simple Remote comes out of the package pre-programmed to work with the Apple TV. Simply remove the battery saver tab and you are ready to go. Use the up, down, left, right buttons to navigate the Apple TV home screen. These arrow buttons are a more traditional navigation approach, as opposed to the touchpad found on the original Apple TV remote control. The OK button makes the selection the same as pressing on the touchpad of the original Apple TV remote would do. The menu button and the home buttons function the same as they do on the original Apple TV remote. Typically, the menu button is used to go back within apps or menu screens. The home button is typically used for jumping directly back to the Apple TV home screen. You can also hold down the home button to bring up search, sleep mode, and AirPlay settings. Within certain apps that use a traditional TV channel surfing experience, you can use the channel up and down buttons to surf channels. Also, within certain apps, the fast forward, rewind, play, pause, stop, jump forward, and jump backwards buttons will have certain capabilities. It's important to note that app developers must enable these features in order for these buttons to be functional. As such, not all apps will offer this functionality. To program the remote control for your TV, simply press and hold the menu and OK buttons until the red LED at the top of the remote control lights up. Next, press the Channel Up button to search for the code for your TV manufacturer. When the remote finds the correct code, you will notice your volume indicator appear on your screen. Once you see this appear, press the OK button to save the code in your remote's programming. Your remote should now control the volume up, down, mute, power on and off functions of your TV. To program a soundbar, press and hold the menu and OK buttons on the remote control until the red LED at the top of the remote lights up. Next, press the down arrow button to search for the code for your soundbar manufacturer. When the remote finds the correct code, you will notice the volume indicator appear on your screen. Once you see this appear, press OK to save the code in your remote's programming. It's important to note that the Simple Remote can only be programmed to control one additional device, meaning you can either program it to control your television functions along with the Apple TV, or your soundbar functions along with the Apple TV. It is not possible to program both your television and your soundbar along with the Apple TV. The Simple Remote is built using the highest quality components and circuit board mounted push buttons, designed to last several 100,000 button presses. The Simple Remote requires two standard AAA batteries that are easy to access and replace by simply sliding the battery cover forward. It will also indicate when the batteries are low by blinking the red LED after each button press. If you've been looking for an alternative yet simple remote control for your Apple TV, the Channel Master Simple Remote may be just what you've been looking for.